What is going on, Mercado Nation, the family? How y'all doing today? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know me, I go by the name of Mark with a C. This is the Mercado channel, guys, and today we're back with another vending video. We are going to take a trip up the road, about 40 minutes, and yes, guys, to pick up a used Vendstar 3000 triple head candy machine. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm getting it for $50, so I'm hoping it's in good condition. The pictures were amazing, so hopefully I am not disappointed with taking this trip to purchase this candy machine. I want you guys to come with me. As always, stay tuned, stay blessed, and let's get out of here. Oh my God, it's a beautiful day. Woo! It is sunny. Baby, you ready for a little mini road trip?
Yeah.
It is sunny. We are ready to go. Stay tuned, guys. What's going on, guys? We are almost there. We got 4 more minutes until we meet up for this machine. Let's hope everything goes like he said it did and we can just go back home with a nice machine. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and we'll be there in a couple minutes.
Like with that.
I'll just tell him if anything. I didn't tell him what car I'm in. So.
You see a gray BMW?
Not yet.
Oh.
So guys, as you can see, I am approaching his vehicle. I'm super excited. This is the first time I really meet up for a used machine like this. It's a Vendstar 3000. The guy was unloading it out of his trunk. The machine looked fantastic for the price. What I'm doing at the moment is kind of testing out the coin mechanisms, because when you buy a used machine, you want to make sure everything is properly working before you take off. But this guy Max here, he's a pretty good guy. He was kind of just showing me step by step how it works. He took the lid off, as well as the canisters, pretty much showing me, you know, that everything is operating fine, so I wouldn't have any issues. But as you can see, I'm really concerned with the machine, so that's why I was kind of making sure everything's fine before I walk away with it, because it was a pretty good drive. But as you can see, he's very aware that I'm also aware that I'm interested in knowing about the machine, because I wasn't just going to walk away with the machine without testing it out. He was showing me where the back was and the coin drawers and all that other stuff. He also gave me the keys so I could try it for myself. And as you can see, I'm just walking back to the car with it. So guys, we just closed the deal. Guys, I'm pretty excited. So from what I heard about those Vendstars, they like turned yellow on the plastic, which is, I guess, you know, age. But that guy there, he maintained the machine pretty good. I can see why he wanted $80, but I wasn't going to pay $80, so I lowballed him. I said I'll give him $50. Come to find out, he has a bunch of machines. He said he started his own company. Now he doesn't have time to do it anymore. He says he has over 30 of those machines, guys. So that might be my plug for used machines, because I actually found someone not close to me, but if I buy a bunch of machines by the bulk, I can possibly meet up with him. He'll hook me up. Like I said, I only paid $50 for that machine. I got the keys and everything. The machine needs a little cleaning. Maybe spray a little WD-40 on the coin mechanisms to get them all smoothened out. But as you can see, everything operates perfectly fine. We tested it out, and I'm super excited with that machine. I'm gonna go home, clean it up, and yeah, guys, this road trip has been pretty cool. We're gonna stop, use the bathroom, maybe get something to eat, and yeah, guys, we're gonna head home. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys at home. Got my first set of coins here. Got the trays.
I'm recording you.
Got the trays. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys.
Let's show the Vendstar thing.
I'm so excited.
Vendstar 3000.
All the coin mechs work. Nice. See, as you can see, they're a little loud, but perfectly.
they're not bad.
No, they're not. This one here is, oh, see, after a certain amount of time of use,
Yeah.
they work perfect. I'm gonna go home,
Except
clean
you
this up.
ripped a little bit.
Oh man, I'm so excited. $50 for this. So happy. Let me get my quarters and we're gonna go back home. So guys, we are back home. It's been a long day. It was a fun trip, a fun drive with the family. As you can see here, we picked up a Vendstar 3000 triple head. Yes, it is used. I know I said I rather new than used, guys, but I found a crazy amazing deal. Come to find out, it's just things happen for a reason. Come to find out, the guy has 30 more of these he's willing to sell for the same price. Maybe even cheaper if I buy more than one. If I buy them in bulk, he may even do a lot cheaper. So guys, I'm telling you, these Vendstars, I have never even used one. I see a lot of you guys. I know Mark Saito from Sharks Vending has a bunch of these, and they seem to do good for him. So, and he has tons of locations. So, shout out to you, Mark Saito. But I'm gonna give these Vendstar 3000s a shot. It is an all plastic machine, but for being plastic, these things are like sturdy. Like the flaps are on. There's no yellowing or anything. Like this here, I'm pretty happy about, guys. So it was definitely worth the trip. It was definitely worth $50 because he also gave me the keys for it. Works perfectly fine. Coin trays are there. The stand and the base, everything is nicely cleaned. I just gotta wipe it down. And guys, I got me a pretty good machine, so I can't wait to get this baby placed. That's gonna end this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Until the next one, guys, the Mercado channel. We are out.